Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be making slow cooker sweet and sour kielbasa. What all goes into the slow cooker sweet and sour kielbasa? 2 cups ketchup, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons butter, 1/2 cup onion diced, 4 tablespoons white vinegar, 1/2 cup water, salt and pepper to taste, 1 pound kielbasa. This is 14 ounces, so close enough. And optional will be pineapple. So I have pineapple slices here. I'm going to drain it and just put the slices on the top. So let's begin. Take your slow cooker, and as usual, I have a slow cooker liner for easy cleanup. Put in your 2 cups of ketchup in the bottom of the slow cooker, your 1/2 cup of brown sugar, your 1/2 cup of chopped onions, your 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 1/2 cup of water, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of butter, your 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and stir that to combine. Then put in your 1 pound of kielbasa. I sliced them and then cut the slices in half. Pour that in there. Stir that until it is covered in the sauce. If you're going to add pineapple, I have 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice that I'm going to put in there too. It did not say, but I thought that would be good. And then lay your pineapple slices on the top. Again, it doesn't say, it just says you can add pineapple if you want to. So this is how I'm doing it. Put your lid on. Turn your slow cooker to low and let it cook for 2 hours. Or you can turn it on high and let it cook for an hour. So here is the slow cooker sweet and sour kielbasa over a bed of rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
That is slow cooker sweet and sour kielbasa.
Never heard of such.
Sure you have, I just told you.
Prior to today, I never heard of such. The onion's still a little bit crunchy, but the flavors in this are really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.